Hey guys, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called Texting Factory, right? And you're wondering, can you become a chat operator with Texting Factory? Can you really make 300 US dollars weekly? And is this really realistic? How much can you really make, and is this really worth your time? All right, so let's check out Texting Factory. You can decide whether or not you want to apply for this particular role after this review. Now, at any time, if you're looking for a way to get to my favorite way of getting 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month minimum, 100% from home, you just need your computer and the internet. Go ahead and click the link below, and I will send you that strategy for free straight to your email. You can check that out if you want. All right, now let's take a look at Texting Factory. Now, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different remote jobs online, different make money online websites, surveys, games, videos, things like that. And some of them are really good, but some of them are really crap. So let's take a look at Texting Factory to see whether it really lives up to its reputation of $300 weekly. Okay, so the first thing is that Texting Factory is basically a business that has a texting side, right? And they hire people to become texters. So it's pretty cool in the sense that you can stay at home, you can work on your computer, and it claims that they'll pay you on average, right, $300 weekly. But let's see if that's really true, okay? So first of all, it's very easy to apply. You can apply from anywhere in the world, right? But the thing that you have to understand is you are going to be a text chat operator, and you're going to be having casual messages on a fantasy-based text network. Okay, so the first thing that you have to understand is you have to be okay with pretending to be somebody else. So this is not really like customer service, it's not customer support. This is you pretending to be somebody else on a fantasy network, which is okay, I suppose. It just depends on you, on whether you're okay with lying and pretending to be sort of like an actor to chat with people, and you can talk to them about all sorts of different stuff. You'll be assigned different roles depending on what your customer wants, right? So some of your customers want to talk about everyday life, some want to talk about work, culture, relationships. Your identity will not be known by the customers, okay? Because they want to keep everything hidden. So again, it's a little bit cloak and dagger kind of an industry, right? But depending on how you look at it, it could be pretty fun, all right? But you have to understand that sometimes you have to lie, and you don't because you're playing a part, right? You're not going to be yourself. You're not helping them with customer service. You just have to pretend to be someone else. So if you think that that's okay, then this might be for you, right? Only text. There's no, real phone call. There's no video chat, nothing like that. It is just online, okay? Now, the big thing is it says the average operator earns between 300 and 400 USD per week. Okay, so let's see whether that is really the case or not. I think that's the biggest thing. It's not so much that you can't get a job with these guys. You can, but are they really paying out $300 to $400 per week? I mean, that's not even that much money if you really think about it, because at $300, that's only $1,200 per month, which is not that much money. But for some people, and depending on where you live in the world, that could be a lot of income, right? So let's take a look at that in a second, right? Now, what do you need for this role? Okay, well, it says you can be your own boss, you can work from anywhere, you can be part-time or full-time, right? Things that you need to be fluent in English, you must be 18 years old, you must have a PC or laptop, you will work as a freelancer, obviously you need a good internet connection, okay? So it seems simple enough, but let's really take a look at whether it's that simple and whether you're just really texting with people and whether you can really make this kind of money, right? So I headed over to Trustpilot, which is a very, very popular third-party testimonial website, and Texting Factory has a very low review. It's got 284 reviews, 1.9 star rating, which is pretty bad actually, right? And if you look at it, there's a lot of one-star ratings. So let's see what the biggest complaint is about Texting Factory, okay? The first thing is that the majority of the complaints have to do with how much they pay. Okay, now this is important because if they're saying here that you can make an average of $300 a week, but you can't really do that, that to me is false advertising, and it's making false promises, which is a problem. Because if you're here to make money, but you can't really make that, then that's not good for you, right? So let's take a look at how much they pay on average. It says terrible company to work for. The pay is horrible. You can work all day, 7 hours a day, and make only 10 euros. So that's equivalent to about 9 to 10 US dollars, roughly about that, okay? So that's roughly about just over $1 per hour, maybe $1.20, $1.30, $1.50, right? So if you're making on average, let's just say $10 a day for a normal shift, 7+ hours, right? that means per week you're only making $70, correct? So that's a very far cry from what they're saying here, $300 to $400. So this is not, it doesn't seem like it's possible. Okay, let's continue with some other reviews, right? It also says that the support is very bad, it's non-existent. They don't answer to support emails, which is really bad. Okay, it says, this one here says that it's not a scam, but it's too demanding for very low pay. You literally get 5 minutes to answer each question, and if you don't answer within 5 minutes, then unfortunately you're not going to be able to get paid, right? So basically in 1 hour, you make roughly about $1 to $2, which is about accurate. It sounds about right if you compare it to this one right here, right? So $1 to $2 per hour. So let's just say you're averaging, you know, $1.50, right? $1.50 per hour. You work an 8-hour shift times 150. You're making about $12 in this example, $12 per hour. Let's multiply that by 7 for a week. You're making $84 per week, and you're working full-time hours. That means you're working 8 hours a day, 7 days a week, no rest, and you're only making $84. That is insane, right? So basically what they're saying here is not true, because if we've got a few people saying that they're making very, very little money, and the biggest problem is that they're paying very little, then what they're saying on their website is actually false advertising. So I would probably stay away from this, guys. I mean, look, if you don't mind making $1, $2 an hour texting, then this is a little bit more realistic, and you can join Texting Factory if you want to check them out, textingfactory.com. But I think that, you know, earning $1 to $2 an hour working for a company is ridiculously low pay. I mean, you know, you can earn more money working in Starbucks, working in McDonald's, painting fences, you know, you could be a babysitter, right? I mean, you'd make way more money. Walking dogs pays more money than this. This is $1 an hour. I mean, maybe if you lived in a country where $1 an hour is life-changing income, then this is cool, right? But if you live in a country where $1 or $2 per hour is not life-changing income, like you're not going to travel the world, you're not going to retire, you can't pay your bills with that, then maybe you should stay away from Texting Factory, right? It's not that they don't pay, they do. I think that there's a bit of false advertising going on here. They're hyping it up a little bit, because in order for you to work, you know, make 300 USD, let's do the math, right? We know it's about $1 an hour. 300 USD weekly means you have to work 300 hours a week. Okay, so that's 300 divided by 7. It means that you have to work 42 hours a day. That's not possible. It's impossible to work more hours than there are hours in a day, right? So this is completely false right here. It's not that they don't pay, they just don't pay anything close to $300 a week, right? So I would probably stay away from Texting Factory, especially if you want to make better income, because I don't think this is a great way to make money on the internet. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review. And listen, if you're right here watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to make real income, right? Online, maybe you're looking to make hundreds of dollars, maybe thousands of dollars a month, right? And you just don't know how. There are lots of ways to make money online these days, which is what's cool about the world that we live in, right? We live in the new economy, the internet. There are lots of apps, there's lots of marketing strategies that you can deploy that will make you a lot of big income. My favorite way to get to 5 to 10,000 US dollars per month minimum, 100% from home, just your computer and the internet, is a very specific strategy, okay? It's not working as a texting person. It's not really a job, it's more of a skill. So if that's something that you'd like to check out, go ahead and just click the link below. I'll send that straight to your email. You can check out the strategy for free. All right, otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this review of Texting Factory, and I hope to see you on another product review. Take care.